I just got this, the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More combo. Let's open it up and see what's inside, and in a later video I'll take this guy, which is the DJI Mavic Mini that I got tons of years ago, and we'll see exactly how much has changed since they came out with this. So here we have the DJI Mini 4. Let's go ahead and open her up. So first you've got this nice bundle case that comes with a Fly More combo that just allows you to keep everything in one. Front pocket here. Let's go ahead and first and most important, we have the drone. As you can see here, wrapped in. There she is, in all her glory. Still got the wing guards on there, a couple stickers to take off. See right on there. Mini 4. Oh, that's a little scary. Alright, let's see. I want to make sure I'm taking that off. Alright. So initial thoughts, it's a lot different. Straight ahead, you can see the difference in the two cameras, what that looks like. Alright, oh, that's how it works. So it's a magnet. It's a good clasp. Got a clasp for the guard. Take that off. These rotate out. And front back. Interesting. Excuse me. Here you can already see side by side what was, what is. And then look at just how much has changed just underneath the two of them. Alright, so got these on the side. Put this guy back for now. Alright, also inside of here, controller. Now you can get the Mini 4 Pro. Now you can get the Mini 4 Pro with the version that has a controller that doesn't have a screen, but I really wanted the built-in functionality. Take the controller. Here you've got the joysticks in the back. Pop those out. As you see, they closely just screw in right there. You have it. Still got your record button, camera tilt, that photo mode. So channels, and then you have to go through all this. Ask you set it all up. So for the Mini 4, back here. You've got the on the side, pinch, pull it out. No, nothing. Doesn't come with a charge. Alright, let's see. Also with the Mini 4 Pro Fly More, this is kind of one of the biggest things. Is charger with 2 more intelligent flight batteries. So get those charged up. Nothing else in the bag except for that and this zipper. You've got a ton more blades, controls that you need, cords, and then manual. So that's these two B, so 2 sets of A, 2 sets of B, AB, AB. Man, they're expecting me to break a lot. Alright, then USB Type 3 to USB-C, C to C, and finally, oh, a little mini screwdriver. Nice. So as you can see, there's a whole lot of differences from the initial type and from what the so you can see there's a whole lot of differences from the 4 Pro to what it was. I mean, look at the camera right there. I mean, this one's supposed to be able to do 4K, so it's not surprised. Now, something I need to research just to make sure that it is. Weight feels pretty much the same, but I've been told that the intelligent flight batteries, i.e. this one, way too much. So when these are in here, it's actually above the 249 grams. It's actually above the 249 grams, which means that you're going to have to register your drone with the FAA and everything that entails. Thankfully, I've done that before when I had the Phantom 4 Pro. So, yeah, I don't see it anywhere on here that lists that it's under 249. But there you go. That is the Mavic 4 Pro Fly More combo and everything that's inside. And we'll see what the first flight looks like in the next video. See ya.